Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the exact components: 2 bandages and 1 alcohol bottle or equivalent chemical component. This combination heals best and is common in loot. Once done, make sure you have a crafting bench in a safe house. Crafting outside risks interruption. You need the Medkit blueprint or the crafting skill unlocked, because without it you can't assemble the parts. Move quickly. Prioritize rooftops and medical closets for bandages, and kitchens or labs for alcohol. These spots yield the parts you need. You approach the bench and open the crafting menu, selecting the Medkit recipe. This is where components combine into a usable item. Place the 2 bandages and the alcohol into the recipe slots, then confirm crafting. It consumes a small amount of stamina and time. While it crafts, pay attention to your inventory space so the new Medkit doesn't drop. If you unlocked upgrades, craft a higher-tier medkit to increase healing. That's why gathering better ingredients matters for more effective kits. You collect the finished medkit and check its heal value and durability in your inventory. That tells you how much it restores. Equip it to a quick-use slot or use it immediately when wounded. Medkits restore health fast and can save you in tight encounters. If crafting fails or the recipe is grayed out, make sure the exact ingredient types are in inventory and that the blueprint or skill is unlocked. If issues persist, restart at a safe house and reopen the bench to reset the menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.